Good morning, everyone. Welcome to another exciting day at our vast potato farm here in the heart of the USA. It's harvest season, and we're thrilled to share this joyful time with you. Today, we'll take you on an incredible journey as we harvest our bountiful crop of potatoes with the help of some truly massive, state-of-the-art machinery. Just look at these beautiful fields. It's been a fantastic growing season, and our potatoes are ready to be harvested. But we're not doing this by hand, oh no. We're using some of the most impressive machines you've ever seen. Meet our trusty harvesters, the giants of the farm. These powerful machines are designed to make our job easier and more efficient. Let's take a closer look at how they work. And here we go. Our harvesters move into action, each one capable of digging up thousands of pounds of potatoes in a matter of minutes. Watch as their massive blades gently lift the plants from the ground, separating the potatoes from the soil. Isn't it amazing? The potatoes travel up the conveyor belts, getting a quick wash and sort before being loaded into our big trucks. From there, they're off to storage, ready to be sent to markets and kitchens all across the country. Of course, none of this would be possible without our incredible team. Everyone here is filled with excitement and joy. After all, A bountiful harvest like this is what we've been working towards all year. It's the best feeling, seeing the fruits of our labor come to life like this. These machines really make a difference, and it's just so satisfying to watch. We've had a great season, and now seeing all these potatoes coming up so quickly is fantastic. It's hard work, but it's worth it. Our harvesters aren't just big, they're smart too. Equipped with the latest technology, these machines use GPS and automation to navigate the fields with precision. This means less waste and more potatoes for everyone. Look at that coordination. It's like a well-oiled machine, quite literally. Every pass of the harvester brings us closer to completing the harvest and celebrating a successful season. And what better way to end a perfect harvest day than with a celebration? We come together to enjoy the fruits of our labor, share stories, and look forward to the next season. It's moments like these that make farming so special. The hard work, the innovation, and the joy of a successful harvest all come together to create something truly wonderful. As the sun sets on another glorious day, we're filled with gratitude and happiness. Thanks to our amazing team and incredible machines, this season has been a resounding success. Here's to the joys of farming and to many more bountiful harvests to come. Thank you for joining us on this wonderful journey. From all of us at Sunnyfields Farm, we wish you a season of joy, abundance, and happiness. Until next time, happy harvesting.